Hi, my name is Lindsay Mersman. Getting data in a usable format from various applications can be very challenging. Data scattered across different sources, a lack of integration with your systems, and static reports limit the flexibility for detailed analysis, which hinders land and division order professionals like yourself from being effective. As a result, reporting is often a manual effort, which increases the likelihood of errors and forces the reliance on outdated or incomplete data, leading to flawed analysis and misguided decisions. With EAG Foundations, you can instantly access key land and division order reports, eliminating the need to rely on manual processes and saving time spent on pulling data from multiple sources. Contact us to learn more.